Just look at this. That is what you call rain. Hi guys, little update. So we woke up this morning with plans on driving to Pattaya to check it out. We was going to go on the motorbikes, but that's been cancelled, and we've just booked a Grab because, as you can see, the heavens have opened. It is absolutely hammering it down. There's a big thunder and lightning storm. So yeah, we've decided to scrap the ped idea and we're going to go by taxi. So yeah, that's our plan, and we will show you some footage from Pattaya. You probably hear the rain. Probably can't hear me over the rain. But we just stopped in the middle of Pattaya for a drink, a bit of something to eat, and it's just absolutely sort of battering it down again. So yeah, it's really loud. But yeah, we definitely won't be moving yet. We'll probably have a few more drinks here. But we just ordered a club sandwich, and yeah, it's absolutely hammering it down. So yeah, we won't be moving yet. So you can see, just for the amount of rain we've just had, how much it's flooded the roads. So here, this car, couple of tyres, all the bikes flooded.
Still lightning.
Yeah, there's still some thunder and lightning going off. There you go. But yeah, the whole road's just flooded. So yeah, there's still a storm going on. But yeah, the rain's finally stopped. I don't know how long for. It's gone instantly muggy again, very hot. So I've decided now to leave the bar and just go for a bit of a walkabout until it starts absolutely lashing it down again. Yeah, there's people still in the restaurants. Yeah, we've had quite a lot of rain. Are you trying to get away across?
Oh my god, yeah.
Don't fall, otherwise you'll be wet. Don't go and fall. I mean, they look like bloody snake skins. This is very dangerous. I made it without standing on the bucket. But yeah, you don't want to be getting caught in that. There's rain everywhere. What? Jimmy's dead. Loads of tattoo shops, loads more bars, barbers, pharmacies, cannabis shops. There's just everything everywhere. Just stopped for another quick little drink in this cool little jungle bar. It's finally stopped raining now.
This bar, it's 50 baht for a green tea.
Go on, what? Say again.
In this bar, they're doing gin and tonics for 50 baht. Like £1.10.
Yeah, no. Yeah, about £1.10. So yeah, gin and tonic for £1.10 in this bar. So yeah, it's really cool. So So we've come today to a quiet little place near where we live that we got told about, Anne's Bakery. They do all like bread and cakes and everything, so we've come here to check this out this morning and get some stuff for the house. So there's a little gym thing as well, which is we've never seen before around here. But yeah, this is the bakery. So we'll go in and have a look. So unfortunately the bakery was shut. She had nothing in for us to buy. So we've decided to come and get some breakfast instead. We've heard about this place called Purple Parrot. We're hoping this place is open because it seems like there's quite a lot shut today, so we don't know if it's a Buddha day. So yeah, we'll just come to Purple Parrot, which does some English food as well, so we're going to try and have a full English breakfast. Sean's just checking out if it's open. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, got the Purple Parrot. We have the breakfast menu. Show you what it's like when it comes. The breakfast has just arrived and it looks incredible. Just what we needed this morning, and we had orange juice with it as well, but I've drunk mine. But yeah, that was so good. Yeah, we've even got HP brown sauce. I've obviously gone for the large and Shauna's gone for the small one. Let's dig in. Breakfast done. Decided to walk it off. Beautiful day. We'll walk it off on the beach. Yeah, nice and calm today, not a lot of wind. Is that a jellyfish? That's a jellyfish. Nice big jellyfish. But yeah, it's beautiful today, nice and calm. It's a gorgeous day. So we just thought we'd come and walk it off. Sean's dipping her toes in water. Is it nice? Is it warm? Yeah, we're going to spend a bit of time here and then head back and just chill and do a bit of work. We've come out for something to eat and we have come to a new place that we found just up the road from where we are, called Arroy Siam. It's got good reviews, so we thought we'd come and give it a go. Sean's just looking at the tiny fish in here. They are tiny. There's a lot in there. So yeah, we're just going to check this place out and see what they've got. Just fancied some Thai food because I had a pizza last night, so I feel a bit fat. So I thought I'd come and try some Thai food and have a bit of health down here again, so we'll let you look at the menu when we're in there. Got all the Thai cuisine, all the pad thais, green curries. Yeah, it looks good. Don't know what I'm gonna have yet. Probably a pad thai. This place is quite cool inside. It's a nice little setting. It's quite small. There's only us in here, but it's got good reviews, so I'm assuming it gets a lot busier. Yeah, it's quite nice. We'll show you the food when that arrives. So food's just come and it looks amazing. I've got a pad see ew with beef. I've got some vegetable spring rolls. And Sean has